Okay, 2 more here, please.
Hi guys, jump in.
I guess we're gonna get our special voting Yay, we got you again. Oh, they're just going there.
It's good to see crocodile when the water is like going further down there. Now the water is quite high, it's about 1 meter or more. Now normally the jetty is that one there. So here. So you see the boat they just park like that and then everyone just jump from the side. But this time we have to go from the front because we can of course the later pontoon there. Very easy walk. It's good for our leg. So leg, because it's flat.
I like that one. Oh my god!
That one is this type of millipede. But this one they don't bite, yeah?
This one doesn't bite.
Let's put it on your arm and take some video.
Oh no, I don't want these. I'll just take a picture.
If you really touch them hard, they will make like
A hissing noise?
a roll, yeah? They roll.
Oh, roll.
They quail. See?
Oh, I'm so mean. Sorry.
Okay. You want me to go first? Guys. Alright. Do the construction like in Hong Kong or China. They're using bamboos for proper building. So normally they use something to tie them. But here back in like in Borneo, they use the rattan is a nail that they tie together. Not only for penetration time like room car, but for people that commit to start, they normally
That is so gross. Look.
Ew. Andy, there's another one coming in.
They're just like waiting for you.
I know
pass
to
by.
grab them.
Put my hand.
I'll get it on video when you get killed. Oh!
What are you doing?
they're looking for the
Blood
what's that?
Pura-pura dulu.
The blood. Yeah.
Dia begitu kan, dia pura-pura diam dia.
The bad one. How do you say? Some contain like some kind of toxic in your blood or whatever. But actually, they a lot of sportmen or athletes they use this for especially the rugby player. Some of them frozen blood, like when they did a lot of tackles, and then they use this.
Use your nail. If you just go like this, look. There you go. Sometimes if you grab it with a leaf, you can actually, it doesn't stick to them.
I mean, we're so fancy to that.
But then you go.
That on that branch.
Oh yeah, hammerhead
whatever.
worm.
But be careful of these two leeches right here.
Oh god.
They're like, hello.
Like,
I know,
kind
I
of
got
like,
one right in my belly button.
This spider's the size of your head, so.
wow.
My teeth probably.
Please don't.
Okay. Hold your fist there.
As soon as you start moving, I'm taking it away.
Oh my god, if that thing were on me, you would see me go nuts.
Yeah. All the monkeys.
Oh wait, no. Put your hand there again.
Better you go the other side.
Okay, yeah.
Trying it?
One more. Zoom out a bit.
Oh, Chi, ini yang apple itu.
Mana?
Yang sana itu makan apple tu.
Buah dia. I think I feel a bite on my calf.
Oh, it is.
Oh my god, Chris.
Can it smell you? It can smell you.
Oh, it's moving towards us.
Oh, that's huge.
You guys can keep moving.
Yeah.
Oh, Chris!
Apa itu?
What are you doing?
Leads.
Stay there. Hold on. Get a picture of this. This is too funny. Just put on that auto mode.
Watch out for that guy right there.
Very good. Want me to take it off for you?
It's not even big enough. You can't even see it.
I think it's still bleeding.
Yeah. There you go.
Can you take a better picture if I stick my finger in? Mackerel again.
Look at this!
Oh
That's crazy. Look.
Wow. You're gonna pull out your finger and it's just gonna be a skeleton.
Wonder if they're eating me.
Yeah.
So this is Ken taking a mid-afternoon nap after our jungle walk. We're just waiting for the boat to get us.
Watch your head. Blah, blah, blah. This is way cooler than anything. Whatever, walking.
You want to take a shower?
I don't know. I want to, but
Cold showers until 6 p.m. Oh my god.
oh, is it? Well, I wonder if they're just the temperature of the water out here. Is it?
I guess this is the way to go.
Maybe that's why it took them half an hour.
This is so cool. Please no.
I can feel it bumping against the track as the track under the water curves. Ouch.
Stuck in the middle of nowhere. We're stuck in the middle of nowhere.
Don't worry.
We have oars. We're off the track.
Just watch out for leeches.
Just watch the speedboat that's speeding by.
They're having a lot more fun.
Help! We have no gas.
It's probably the most deadly thing ever.
Oh my god, we're gonna die.
We're not gonna die.
Paddle.
The orangutans will make friends with us and raise us into like orangutan adults, and then we'll be like Tarzan. And
We only have one oar, and it's huge. I don't like it.
it's just poison ivy.
I don't like touching it.
But yeah, look for snakes in the trees, I guess. Okay, go.
That will.
This is Andy. Ugh. This is Andy taking off his boots.
Just got
After.
back from a hike in the jungle. I'm gonna see how many leeches are in my boots. I already feel them.
The moment I had one under my arm coming back in my armpit.
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Amador and Ben, they're really cute. They go, now girls, if you have them anywhere and you need help removing them, just call us. We'll be there for you. I said, yeah, haha.
No leeches?
No leeches.
No way, man. Take those socks.
Take off my socks.
I don't think they could. I didn't have any with my hiking stuff.
I feel.
They were four-of-them me.
How could it have gotten in my socks?
Well, you can check it to see.
My pants were rolled up.
Yeah, yeah.
I think by the river then.
Hey guys, if you want to wash anything down, we've got a brush down here.
I just picked over.
No, this one is okay. I think they will. That's why they charge you for guys. That's why they charge you for the boots because they want to clean it.
Okay.
So that's why you can just put it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
that was a very good idea. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Great
Yeah.
idea.
So next time, Ben, you know exactly, right?
Definitely.
So it's
Yeah.
maybe I rise up. I need 10 ringgit each boat, so I said, okay, 20 ringgit.
Alright.
Is it 10 per?
So
Still like no
Okay, got it.
leeches?
What is
Can I
that?
put it on our bill?
I think they can do
Oh
that.
yeah, here's
That's
a
a
leech.
leech.
That's a small one.
That's a squish.
He's like dead.
Yeah, see, I don't think.
Like you step on it already?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dried up.
Oh my god, it was under my armpit.
Oh, here's another little guy.
Oh, you should have saved mine.
Pull up your pants quick. Let's see.
The lunch is 1:30, so we have about 1 hour 15 minutes from your room. So you can order anything that you want.
Wow, leech free.
Oh, there's another one.
guys, 1:30 for lunch. Yeah. 1:30.
How many little ones down
Small
here?
one.
In this afternoon, 3:30.
Did you take your pants shoes out?
Someone out there just run away, scampering away.
He's looking for rubbish. Eggs or something. Hello. What's up, guys?
Cool. That's
Keep
about
up
the same
there,
size
big one.
we saw in jungle.
Don't be deceived though, these guys can really run. They can really move.
We saw one during the hike.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh right.
did?
Chris saw it.
Yeah, I know. He always finds. I told you, he was the one who hit pigeon in Central Park
Right.
and iguana at the hotel. Where it's always Chris.
Yeah.
He's been like that since I was a little kid. Oh, that's pretty fast.
Ben's chasing it around.
Wonder what he's getting.
Right.